Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a cheeky little recipe on how to make chicken parm from scratch. I'm going to be using basic ingredients. I'm going to be cooking it in the air fryer. You can do it in the oven. It's going to be moist, flavoursome, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of tomato sauce, a little bit of cheese, and a lovely chicken breast bought from the butchers. This is the chicken breast. See the lovely colour on it and the amazing marbling and a little bit of fat on it just for flavour. It's absolutely amazing. Let's get into the video. Let's go. So you're going to butterfly the chicken breast, just going down and then splitting it in half, and then you can see it's butterflied, and you've just gone straight through the centre and split it straight down the middle. So you butterflied the chicken. Just put that to one side. And then we're going to do the same with the next chicken breast. So we've got two lovely chicken breasts. You can see the difference between this and the store-bought. This is really got a lovely colour. It's got a little bit of fat on it, and it's not pumped with water, so it's a really good farmhouse butcher chicken breast. So try and use these. They've got amazing flavour. It's just a little cheeky tip for you. So just lay a little bit of cling film out on the bench and just push it back like that. So you've got a good bit of cling film, and then you want to put the chicken breast in the middle of it and fold your cling film over. Make sure you leave a bit of gap, because obviously here, because the chicken breast is going to be battened out to the, so you just want to leave quite a bit of a gap and just fold it over. So you want to batten the chicken breast out, but you just want to do it gently to start off with, just so that you don't, it just spreads out evenly. You've got a nice even batter to it, so you can just see it spreading out lovely, and then you can use the other end. You want it thin but not too thin, so it just cooks nicely and keeps a little bit moist. And just repeat it for the other chicken breast. So this obviously serves two, because we've got two chicken breasts. Just go gently, just go around the edges and in the middle, just batten it out nice, not too thin. And with a flat end as well, and then with the little bit end as well. So we've got a lovely shaped chicken breast there that we're going to breadcrumb. So we're going to whisk the egg. This is a free range egg, not really, it's not been free ranging. So this is just a normal egg. We're just going to whisk it up, and this is going to be what we're going to dip the chicken in and coat the breadcrumbs in. Breadcrumbs, these are Chinese breadcrumbs, as you can see. Lovely breadcrumb. So we're going to use them. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little bit of seasoning. So a little bit of pepper, just a touch. And then we're going to repeat it with a little bit of salt, just a touch. Flip it over and do the same on the other side, because in my cooking both sides are equal. Just a little bit of salt there. Then we're going to get the chicken breast and just put it in the egg. Just give it a good dip in there a couple of times. Really get the egg on top of it. Really coat it lovely, so it's got loads of nice coating on it. You can see the egg. Then put it in the breadcrumbs and give it a good shake, and then you want to get your other hand in there and just turn it over. Get them breadcrumbs all over. Then you want to do the same with the other one. So you just lightly breadcrumb it. You don't want too many breadcrumbs on. You just want to lightly breadcrumb it. So you can see the breadcrumbs are taking it on nicely. Then we're going to do the other one in a minute. So if you don't feel you're getting a lot of breadcrumbs on there, then you dip it in the egg again, and then go in the breadcrumbs again, just so you're getting quite a bit of egg on it. You really want to get the egg in here. And then do it again. So you double dip in it again. So you're really coating the breadcrumbs. There we are. There we are. So this is the finished chicken parm. So guys, we've got the chicken on my air fryer rack, so it's the crisper rack. You can do it in the oven or you can do it in the air fryer, whichever you want to do. So it goes nice and golden brown. It needs to be obviously cooked inside, so you have to have a probe just to check the temperature of it. So we're going to put it in the air fryer, and then we're going to show you the elements that you're going to add to it to give it that nice bit of zesty spiciness, a little bit of sweet, and a little bit of cheese as well on top, and a little bit of garlic as well. So let's get on with it. So we're going to make a quick garlic butter. Grate your garlic. So we grated it all down. Let it just fall in the butter. Give it a little mix. Then you want to add a little bit of rosemary. There you are. And a little bit of parsley. You can use dried or fresh, it's up to you. So we just turn them over halfway, and then we put the garlic butter on the other side. Just a knob of garlic butter on each side. Just like that. Then straight with the other side. Just like that, spread nicely on. So it just soaks in. So now we're going to put the topping on. So we're going to put a little bit of tomato on each one. So it's a thick tomato paste. Put it on the other one. It's a Provençal paste, so it's a nice rich tomato and herb paste. And we're just going to top it with a little bit of cheese. There we are. This is the finished chicken parm, so you can serve it with salad, chips, jacket potato, pasta. It's completely up to you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, because there's more videos coming soon.